Today, what is the date? It's Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. I'm gonna exchange this video with the previous video because some friends they said to me that, you know what, you repeat yourself. I haven't even watched the previous video to be honest. I don't have the time to do that. Finally, no, it's not done. It's not done. You know why it's not done? I'm gonna show you now why it's not done. Because here the floor mat, we wash it and we are waiting to dry. One second, we have this one, don't fall on the car, just in case. Alright, now, other than this, when it dry, we're gonna put it in, all the rest is done. Methanol sensor down there in place. The plug is here and it's been connected. I put inside distilled water and I already test the line. I clean the line first, I spray outside. Alright, this is what you see, it's the coating, like I've said before. Alright, I actuate the pump not through the test. I pressurize, I give a pressure to activate the pump for the methanol and to activate also the upgrade low pressure pump. I put also, yes, I remember that. I put the clips, one here and one here. I found it was under the carpet and I put it to be nice. Alright, then. What? I said that before that they fix the handle, the guys, not me. Alright. They clean also. 1 second. They clean the bonnet from inside to be nice and beautiful. Lovely. Nice. Let me turn off the fan to start the engine. Alright. I top up for the wiper blades the fluid here, the water, radiator coolant, intercooler. I have double checked it already. I already spray. I have put distilled water, not methanol, because it needs to be shipped in the States. So I bleed also. I spray outside to see that spraying. Everything fine, happy. Everybody happy. Diagnostic for the intercooler pump done. Diagnostic for the low pressure pump, the upgrade one, done. Now, without stepping in the car, because there's no floor mat and I don't want to make it dirty. 1 second. Only the brake. Only the brake. Wow. Because of the tiles, it's amplifying the sound. There you go. Let me see now again why. I disconnected to put the diagnostic. And 1 second, just a second. Okay, back in action. Lovely. Now at least I can say that, you know what, it's ready. It's ready. Only the floor mat to put it inside and it's dry actually. Yes, it is. Leave it, we'll come put it later. And if you close the bonnet, you don't hear nothing. Now that's the end with the E63. If the owner send me any video from United States, I'm gonna upload it. We're gonna see. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out. I haven't uploaded yet, right? I polished this area here. Keep in mind that it came the car with this scratch here. I polished this area that has here, here and here. This, just a little bit of paint and nobody can see it. Paint, polish it, and it's gonna be fine. It came like this. If you watch the first video, you're gonna see that. Now that's the end.